Hello everyone, good day and welcome to another amazing episode on Health Zone, and today we are going to talk about papaya leaves. Yes, as you can see, this is how big it grows, and then how small the edges can also be, and it's rough and cut like that. So as you can see, this one is even ripening, so we are going to talk more about this. Let's go for a quick break. We'll be right back. Welcome back from that short break. Now we are going to look about the health benefits of pawpaw leaves. Most of us are aware of the nourishing, restorative and protective benefits of papaya fruit, but have little knowledge about the healing powers of papaya leaves, which are far more powerful than its fruit. Unlike the fruit, the leaves are bitter to taste due to its high concentration of the phytonutrients, which explains the therapeutic benefits. Now, let's look at the nutrition inside the papaya leaf. It's so incredible. Based on the research studies, it was found that the phytonutrient compounds in papaya leaves act in synergy to display a strong antioxidant and immune-enhancing impact in the bloodstream. Papain, alkaloids, and the phenolic compounds are responsible for their positive biological effects. Now, the enzymes papain and the cyanopapain are the two biologically active compounds of papaya. They aid in digesting proteins and are widely used for treating indigestion, bloating, and other digestive disorders. In addition, the alkaloid compounds, the capain, the physdocapain, and the dihydrocapain demonstrate chemopreventive effects. Now, poor isolated alkaloids and their synthetic derivatives and are used as basic medicinal agents because of their antispasmodic and analgesic and bacterial properties. The phenolic compounds, caffeic acid, the chlorogenic acid, the quercetin, and the camphorol exhibit potent antioxidant effect. Papaya leaves are also high in minerals like calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, iron, and manganese. Now, diabetics have 3 good reasons to try papaya leaves. Number 1, enhances insulin sensitivity. Poor insulin sensitivity is the cause for type 2 diabetes, which causes insufficient glucose intake by the cells. Several animal studies and some human studies have shown that papaya leaf extracts were able to demonstrate glucose lowering effect. A study on Mauritian population showed that papaya leaf extract supplementation decreased the enzyme levels of ALT and AST, that is the biomarkers of type 2 diabetes, among diabetic patients and improved insulin sensitivity. Number 2, decreases diabetes complications. The mix of antioxidants in papaya leaf extracts are helpful in decreasing the secondary complication of diabetes, such as fatty liver, kidney damage, and oxidative stress. A growing number of well-researched studies have demonstrated the same thing. Now, accelerates wound healing. The process of wound healing is delayed or hindered in a diabetic patient and can cause other complications. Many studies have confirmed that consuming papaya leaves enhance the process of wound healing due to this antibacterial and remarkable antioxidant action. The health benefits extended beyond blood sugar stabilization. Some clinical studies have confirmed that the papaya leaf extract effectively inhibits cancer cell growth and improve immune activity. A 2010 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology confirmed that the papaya leaf extract can mediate and boost the type 1 diabetes in the immune system and can patiently treat and prevent certain types of allergic disorders and cancer. Now, how can papaya leaves be used? The Japanese and the Aboriginals of Australia and many traditional herbal treatments have used papaya leaves for their health-enhancing powers. The tender papaya leaves are cooked and consumed similar to spinach in the islands of East Indies. Fresh green papaya leaf is used as an antiseptic, while the brown dried leaves are used as a tonic and blood purifier. The best way to consume the papaya leaves is in the form of tea. Prepare a tea infusion by adding 10 leaves to half a gallon of water. Allow it to boil till the quantity of water is decreased to a quart. Now, cool and consume in small doses as needed to treat indigestion, for detoxifying, for immune building purposes, or as a general tonic. The adverse effects of the papaya leaves have not been treated in humans. However, animal studies suggest low toxicity, hence they are considered safe for long-term consumption. Now, someone may ask, what are the forms of papaya leaf extracts available in the market? Papaya leaf extracts are available in the market as capsules, tea leaves, and in the powder form for consumption. When you reach for papaya leaf extract supplements, be sure to choose non-GMO organic supplements, since most of the papaya today are genetically modified. Many studies have shown that choosing fermented papaya extracts to be more beneficial due to their enhanced antioxidant and immune boosting effects. With government-run healthcare turning into a disaster because of the coronavirus, many people are turning to plant-based remedies that are effective and less expensive with no side effects. Papaya leaves are just one of the many natural ways to improve your health, especially if you suffer from diabetes. If you can't talk to your doctor about natural healing, find another doctor and take action today. Now let's look at how to prepare papaya leaf juice at home. Now, wash 7 medium-sized papaya leaves, cut them up roughly and spice them in a saucepan with 2 liters of water. Now, heat the leaves in the water until it boils and then reduce the heat right down to a mild simmer for 2 hours. But by this time, the liquid should be reduced by half. Once it is reduced, allow it to cool. Remove the papaya leaves, strain the liquid, and drink 50 ml of the resulting concentration papaya leaf tea. Drinking another 50 ml twice more for a total of 3 times a day before a meal was the suggested dosage and timing for the natural treatment. Now, you can keep this homemade papaya leaf tea in the fridge in a covered glass or a ceramic container, not plastic. Always remember not to use plastic, and should not last more than several days. It is recommended to discard it if it becomes too cloudy or thick and creamy in color. Yeah, so remember to share this with your friends, your family, your well-wishers, or anyone suffering from diabetes that you know. This can also be as a supplement to some of the medications that you get on the market. Thanks so much for watching. My name is Jennifer Amlade. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button so you'll be notified anytime we make a post. Give me your comments and I'll reply each and every one of them. Thanks for watching.